G'day, I'm Teacher Glenn, and welcome to another lesson from Australians Teach English. Today, I'm going to be teaching you about the CK digraph. This digraph, this spelling, makes a K sound. It is usually at the end of the word or at the end of the syllable, never at the start of a word. You might like to think about it as the sound that this animal makes. You know what this animal is, and I'm sure you know what sound this animal makes. That's right. It makes a quack, quack sound, doesn't it? Just like the CK digraph. So I want you to listen to what I say and then repeat the word as you hear it. Back. Sick. Neck. Pick. Check. Duck. And what do all these words have in common? That's right. They have the CK at the end of the word. Take a moment to look at this and then try and read on your own. Okay, now listen to me say this and then repeat after me. I saw a duck when I got back. It was sick and it hurt its neck. I pick up the duck to check. I'm sure that time was much better. Now, I want you to listen to me say these words and then repeat after me. These are a little more difficult. Rocket. Sticker. Tackle. Pickle. Tickle. And what sport do we have in these pictures? That's right. Cricket. Now, what do all of these words have in common? Yes, they have CK in the middle of the word, not at the end of the word, but they are at the end of the first syllable. Again, try and read this on your own and then listen to me and then repeat after me as well. All right, now listen to me say these sentences and then repeat after me. He bowled a rocket to tackle the batter. He was in a pickle and it hit his sticker. He tickled it to the keeper in a game of cricket. I'm sure you know lots of other CK words. Some of them are probably in the pictures on this page here. Have a look at these pictures and think, what are the words that have the CK in them? Because we're going to get our ducklings to the end, and there's something that they probably want at the end that has a CK in it. So first, we have a sock, and we have a truck. Then we have black. The next one, this one's probably pretty difficult. Attack. We also have a racetrack. And we have a crack. We also have a stack of bricks. And do you know what the last picture is? It is what our duckling is eating. That's right. It's a cracker. So now we have some tongue twisters. These might be a little bit difficult, so don't worry if you can't do them correctly. So listen to me, pause the video if you need to. You can say this as slowly or as quickly as you like. Sally's sick black cat attacked Jack's back with a stack of bricks. Yeah, that was pretty difficult. Let me see if I can do it even quicker. I might even make a mistake. Sally's sick black cat attacked Jack's back with a stack of bricks. Ooh, that was quite difficult. Now, this one's for even more advanced students. Can you do this one? 10 tricky trucks track and tickle Tom's ducks. Oof. 10 tricky trucks track and tickle Tom's ducks. That one's a little bit more difficult. Now, I'm sure you already know some Australian words, maybe even some Australian words with CK in them. So let's have a look at some pictures and see if you can guess what these CK words might be. Any ideas? Well, the first one is to chuck a sickie. He looks sick, or maybe he is pretending to be sick. That's what we call chucking a sickie, to have a sickie in Australia, when we pretend to be sick. And maybe we go to the cricket, maybe we play video games, or maybe we just watch movies instead of going to work and pretending to be sick. The next one, he looks pretty happy. He's going off like a, what is he? He's a frog in a sock. And so this might be when something is exciting, or a party is really, really exciting and lots of people are there and enjoying themselves. Probably the kids these days say it is lit, going off like a frog in a sock. In this third picture, it looks like this person has no worries in the world. He's thinking about everything else that could be fun. And so, yes, it is similar to no worries, but sometimes you might hear no wuckers instead of no worries. Yeah, it's not a problem, no problem. And then the fourth one, it looks like someone is smashing some rocks. Maybe he's having a crack or giving it a crack. And we say this when someone is trying something, to try something new, especially. So maybe you had a crack at this pronunciation and maybe you did well. I hope you did well. If you want to leave a comment and any suggestions and any other CK words that you know, leaving the comments below with CK words will help you memorize and understand more of this CK spelling as well. So I will see you next time in Australians Teach English.
For more information about the Australians Teach English Institute, go to australiansteachenglish.com or follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at Australians Teach English.